How to write a review on booking.com 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you can write a review on booking.com. So it's going to be a really simple and small video, so let's get straight into it. Now to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your booking.com. Okay, it could be your app, could be your browser. I would prefer it be on your browser, okay? So once you're on your browser, from here on out, what you are going to want to do is you're going to scroll up over here. And once you're over here on the top right hand side where it shows your account, you're going to right click on it. And once you do that, it's going to open up this section for you. So here it's going to say reviews. So you're going to go over to the review section. And obviously it shows us any pending or property reviews. Now, currently I don't have any reviews because I don't have any trips. So if you have any trips, it's going to show you all the reviews that you can potentially give. Or you can just come here, go on booking and trips. And if you have any trips, currently I don't have any trips, but if you have any trips, you can just choose them and write a decent review on them. And that is how you're going to write a review on booking.com. So if you enjoyed watching this video, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.